fried beef with holy basil. This dish is perfect for breakfast or as a packed meal for children or family members to take to work or school. Today, I'm sharing this dish because I'm packing it for my daughter, who requested it for her school lunch. I've also taken pictures to share with you all. So let's get cooking together without delay. First, we'll fry 1 or 2 eggs according to your preference. We don't need to fry too much, and if you prefer boiled eggs, you can boil them instead. Once the eggs are fried, we'll start cooking our fried beef with holy basil. We'll begin by adding garlic to the pan, letting it become fragrant, and then adding chili. If you like a lot of heat, feel free to add more chili. My daughter and I enjoy spicy food, so we add plenty of chili for a delicious kick. If there's not enough chili, the dish can lose its flavor. After adding the chili, we'll add the beef and mix it with the chili and garlic. Then we'll add a bit of sugar, MSG, Knorr chicken seasoning powder, a spoonful of soy sauce, and oyster sauce. We'll stir everything together well. For this kind of food, I didn't use fish sauce. I just add soy sauce and oyster sauce and Knorr powder. And then add the beans. We'll cook them briefly, just until they're slightly tender, and then stir everything together. Once the beans are cooked to our liking, we'll taste the dish for seasoning, adjusting the saltiness and sweetness as needed. Then, we'll add the holy basil and stir until the dish is cooked. This whole process takes only about 5 minutes, and you'll have a delicious dish ready to enjoy. Now that my fried beef with holy basil is cooked, I'll start packing it. I'll put the rice in a container, add the fried beef on top, and then place the fried duck eggs on top of that. I'll cover the container and it's ready to go. As you can see, it's easy to prepare this dish for a packed meal. I've already packed it for my daughter to take to school. This is a simple and tasty dish that you can try making at home. If you do, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below my video. And please remember to like and share my video to help me create more new content.